So we have to get a new one of that.
Yeah, I hope it record, but I hope it record, you know. Yeah, maybe now too. Yeah, it record, yes. Yeah, it record, boy. See, vacuum leak. Okay, vehicle misfiring, giving a whole lot of trouble. You know, the only main issue was the lean condition, and man, look at the smoke. Look at the smoke coming out of the whole, you know.
Never for the escape.
Yeah, no. Well, maybe this not still good, but this done broke. He need, you know. Yeah, this whole thing, yeah, whole thing. If this man could change this whole thing, yeah, this man problem done. Vacuum leak. This now a fix on you know. This whole system, yeah, ooh, yeah, smoke coming out like crazy. Smoke coming out like crazy. Smoke, see, homemade smoke machine, homemade. Chasing a P0171 with a homemade smoke machine. All I have in here is charcoal and some cardboard, and we had discovered our leak. Yeah, we had discovered our leak. Huge vacuum leak. Huge vacuum leak. Look at the smoke. Ooh, done breads.
Oh, this one, yeah. Ketchup too, you know.
Where?
This.
Yeah. Okay, yes. Huge vacuum leak. All these hoses, everything. This whole throttle body assembly here, you know, need to be repaired. So after this, we will get a repair, then we'll do an update.